I bet you didn't know that what you eat can actually help manage your stress. According to Dr. Patel, a nutrition specialist, balanced nutrition is key for mental well-being. Including foods like avocados, oranges, and peanuts in your daily diet can make a real difference in how you handle stress. Feeling stressed? You're not alone. But what if I told you that some everyday foods could be your secret weapon against stress? Let's talk about 3 powerhouses: avocados, oranges, and raw peanuts. Now, you don't have to eat them all at once. In fact, it's better to pair just 2 at a time for the best results. First up, oranges. Packed with vitamin C, they help lower your body's stress hormones and boost your immune system. I recommend having 2 oranges on their own or squeezing them for fresh juice. If you go for lemon water instead, make sure you use warm, not hot water. Vitamin C is a bit shy and hates heat, so keep it gentle. Sip your citrus drink, and after about 30 minutes, move on to your next pick. Now for avocados. They're creamy, delicious, and full of healthy fats and B vitamins, which are brilliant for brain function and keeping those stress levels down. Enjoy an avocado on its own, or pair it with your oranges for a stress-busting snack. Don't forget about raw peanuts. They're loaded with magnesium, which helps relax your muscles and calm your mind. Just grab a small handful, about what fits in one palm. Raw peanuts are best, as they keep more of those nutrients your body craves. Try a combo: 2 oranges and a handful of peanuts, or a glass of lemon water followed by peanuts after 30 minutes. The secret? Mix and match, but don't overload your body at once. Pick any 2, enjoy them daily, and give your mind and body the natural boost they deserve. Taking just a few minutes for yourself, with the right foods, can make all the difference. Give it a try and feel the stress melt away, naturally.